Hello guys, this is Average Trader and welcome to week 30 of our trade logging series. This week, unfortunately, we lost 1.5R. You know, it's not the best start to a month, but hopefully the rest of the month turns around. Here at Average Trader, we're super transparent with you guys. So, you know, we're going to go through every single trade that we took this week. And yeah, we're going to review them. A quick reminder, if you do want to see all of these trades live, be sure to join our chat room. We have a profit promise guarantee, which means, you know, for any given month, if our callouts do not make money, you don't pay a dime, right? Without further ado, let's get straight into the first trade of the week. And the first trade of the week was Microsoft MSFT 261 by 260. And, you know, this was a very, very aggressive trade, right? You know, we got stopped for half of an R instead of the full R here because of this topping tail right here. But unfortunately, you know, we thought this 1 minute, you know, bottoming tail on the gap up, right? This was a level 2 gap. On the gap up was a huge sign of strength, and unfortunately triggered us in on a topping tail and pulled straight back down. Next trade we took was CVS 8870 by 88, and we completely stopped out of this thing. You know, what can I say, guys? You know, this thing turned against us super fast, right? Unfortunately here, you know, this big engulfing green bar wasn't enough to push through, right? You can see this very clearly on the 5-minute chart. You see, we just see a massive engulfing red bar. And honestly, throughout this week, this week's charts, you'll see kind of the same thing, right? Engulfing bars, taking out our stop loss. And, you know, that's just a part of trading. There's nothing we can really do. It looks even worse on the 2-minute, right? Look at this huge bottoming tail, right? You know, but unfortunately still didn't have enough strength to push us to our 1R target. Next trade we took was NVDA 225.74 by 224.78, and we got broke even on this trade. Unfortunately, you know, after this big topping tail stopped us at our break-even point after hitting 1R target, right? And, you know, I'm gonna, you know, stop commenting on this trade because the next trade was the same day, right? As you can see, this is where we stopped out break even, and we went back in it, right, for 1R, right? And you can see this is a really nice flag right here, right? Look at this beautiful 2-minute or 1-minute flag, right? We honestly could have taken 2R out of this trade, but unfortunately, NVIDIA's gap wasn't a good enough gap for us to pursue 2R. So, you know, this break-even trade and this 1R trade was the same day. We got into the trade as soon as we saw the screen engulfing bar, took a buy setup on a flag pattern, and got 1R pretty easily out of it. Next trade we took was NVIDIA 228 by 227 on a different day, and we got stopped out, unfortunately. We took this off of a 1-minute breakout, and there's an argument, right, that these topping tails are a sign of weakness, right, and we shouldn't have taken this trade. But, you know, what can you do, right? This honestly wasn't the best of gaps, right? But, you know, I was a bit hopeful after seeing this bottoming tail right here, which is why we did not raise our stop loss to maybe half of an R or break even. But unfortunately, markets came down and NVIDIA came down with it. And that is all of the trades we took this week. As you can see, we didn't take a lot of trades this week. And we only lost 1.5R. So there's a very big, good chance, right, that we bounce back from this month. And if you want to see us do that, be sure to head on over to our chat room, right? We're live every single day the market's open. And, you know, if we don't make money for any certain month, you know, you get your money back. No questions asked, right? If you have any other questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below or join our Discord. I'm extremely active there. Otherwise, I will see you guys next week for the continuation of our trade logging series. Have a nice day, guys. Bye-bye.